Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see I have really bad acne, and if you're just stumbling across my YouTube channel for the first time, I make foundation review videos for people who suffer from oily, sensitive, acne-prone skin. So if you guys want to know if a foundation works for your skin, just let me know what foundation I should try and I can try it out for you. If you guys haven't seen the last video that I did the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. You guys have to see that review. It's amazing. But I gotta say I broke out from it. This is the next day and I have a huge cyst brewing right here. I did all the skincare I could after wearing that foundation last night and we're gonna try and salvage that. I don't want that popping out. Cysts are not fun. But today we're gonna be trying out a BB cream. You guys, I don't know if you've recognized this BB cream. This is the Missha Perfect Cover BB cream, and this is super popular. It was like popular back, I don't even know when, on YouTube, but like everyone and their mother was using it, I feel like, and it's supposed to be like a full coverage BB cream. This is a Korean BB cream, and let's go ahead and try it out. I'm super pumped. I got mine at the Riley Rose store. You guys, they carry so many Asian skincare brands. It's kind of insane, kind of crazy. Love going in that store. It's like so much fun. It's not like Ulta, it's not like Sephora, it's like its own thing. I mean, they carry makeup just like those stores, but it's way different stuff. So if there's one near you, I definitely recommend going in. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm going to be using the Zoeva 104 buffer on one side, and then on the other side I'm going to be using the Morphe sponge. So let's go ahead and see if this can cover my acne. So I got mine in the color Natural Beige. This does have SPF in it, SPF 42 PA+++. Let's go dive in. Enough chit chat. I'm going to put it on my palette here. I was swatching all of them, and like the lighter ones were gray. So there's 2 pumps of the foundation. So let's go ahead and try this out. This is definitely on the thicker side. Oh, and there is a pump on here, which is really handy, really cool. So props to them for that. But there's a lot of product in here. How much is in here? Well, I don't know, but this is a pretty hefty amount, I think. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll do the brush on this side. I did the brush on this side last time. So let's go ahead and dip this in. So hopefully this matches me. Oh, this one's kind of gray too. Oh, this is, oh, are we seeing this? This is like gray. Alright, so here is the brush side. This is definitely more on the natural dewy coverage side. So not the best for someone who suffers from really bad acne like myself, but this is the color Natural Beige, and I would never venture into like that skin range for foundation because I know that would be way too dark for me in like a normal foundation, but like this is not Natural Beige. This would be looking, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's like very gray undertone, but this was the least gray undertone, from what I could tell on the back of my hand, but this isn't looking too hot. I'm blending it down because there is a bit of a, I don't know if this is starting to oxidize or not, but it kind of is. Let's go ahead and try it on the sponge side. Do some Instagramming right there. Alright, here is the sponge side. Like I said, it just looks gray. Can you guys tell? Can you see that on camera? It just looks gray, and in person, I look gray. I'm looking like I'm half dead or something. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. Let's read. A quick and easy multifunctional BB cream in a wide range of shades. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades. You'll love this if you're worried about sun protection, dullness, wrinkles, and anti-aging. Lightens skin tone by healing visible wrinkles and blemishes with excellent skin coverability and preventing skin aging through effective whitening and anti-wrinkle properties. Interesting. But I mean, like, it's not terrible, just it's not really covering. Here, I'm gonna see if I can add some more coverage. Can you see where I've blended it down? Like, it just has a weird gray. I don't know. I've blended it as much as I could. So let's go ahead and put some concealer on. I'm definitely going to have to like spot conceal for sure. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so the makeup is all done. Today I used the Life is a Drag palette by Manny MUA, and on my lips I have a little bit of a combination. It's mainly this lip color from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color Sellout. And then I have just a little bit of Child Star kind of like in the center here. But I'm not too happy with how this foundation is looking with all of the powder and everything on it, because it's looking a little cakey and it just doesn't feel set. Like I feel like it's gonna fall off my face at any moment. And it really, if you can see, really emphasizes a lot of the bumps that I have, especially like down here and like on my forehead. Oh, the ring light isn't really, it's kind of blurring everything out, but it's not looking too hot, I think. I tried not nose contouring. I think I did it a little bit wrong, but don't judge me. Trying to make that nose look snatched. Y'all know setting spray can fix that cakey situation. So the time is currently, I'll just say 1:30 because it's almost 1:30. It's 1:29 right now. So 1:30 pretty much. So I'm gonna wear this as long as I can. I know it's a little bit later in the day, but we'll see how this foundation wears. And I'll do, I guess, some check-ins maybe throughout the day. And yeah, thank you guys, and let's see how this foundation wears. Hello! It's 5:30 right now, so I've had this foundation on for 4 hours and looking pretty Gucci. Don't mind my harsh contour. But it's actually looking pretty decent so far. We Gucci, we good. Alright, so it's currently 12:30 at night, and you guys, I am so tired and just, anyway. So this foundation has been on for 11.5 hours, and I think it's looking decent. I mean, it's not the best looking right now. It definitely is emphasizing a lot of my bumps and things like that, but yeah, 11.5 hours. BB cream for the win, for the go. Sorry this isn't on my regular camera, but my other camera isn't working very well right now, so, but yeah, I think it's actually looking pretty decent for 10.5 hours. So thank you guys so much for watching, and check this out. I mean, it's looking pretty, I don't know, you guys be the judge. You guys be the judge of that. It's looking pretty oily, but I mean, pretty fantastic. Not gonna lie. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day.